How to install Pikashow on Firestick. So you have to follow these steps one by one. So first of all, press the home button on your Firestick remote to go to the main screen. Navigate to the settings option at the top of your Firestick home screen. Inside settings, scroll and tap on My Fire TV option. Tap on developer options and turn on apps from unknown sources to allow third-party app installation. Press the home button to return to the Firestick main screen. Go to search bar on the top left and type downloader in the search bar. Select the downloader app from the results and tap download to install it on your Firestick. Once installed, launch the downloader app and tap allow if it asks for permission. Tap on the URL box, type in the Pikashow APK download link and hit go. Wait for the Pikashow APK file to fully download on your Firestick. Once downloaded, tap install and wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Tap open and install enjoying free movies and shows on your Firestick. Thank you for watching.